I'm talking about Esch. I hope I'm pronouncing that well. It's spelled E-S-C-H, from Nijmegen in the Netherlands. This track is part of the Set Records VA release. For someone like me that usually tends to play with multiple records at the same time and likes to jam and play with tunes like this, these are perfect ingredients. This is Dean and the Esch. The track is Robo. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy!